If your Tesla doesn't go to drive, the problem with the car is most likely with the problem with the 12-volt battery, and you need to check it with a load tester, especially if it's a lead acid battery. The lead acid batteries tend to last 3 years on average in Tesla vehicles, and then they start glitching, and these glitches, they may be different. So you need to check the battery first of all. Even if it opens the front, it doesn't mean that it has enough voltage to launch all the system. So you need to check that battery with a load tester, or just replace the battery and see if this helps you put your vehicle in drive. Also, you may try all kinds of reset. This 2-button reset that is very well known will not help in this case. This is just for the infotainment screen. It will reset the screen, reboot the screen. To reboot properly the system, you need to go to controls, then go to safety, and in the safety tab, scroll down till you see power off. Press power off and confirm you want to turn off the power. Then when everything powers off, so the screen is black, I will not do this right now. When the screen is black, you don't open the doors, you don't touch the pedals, you just sit for about 3 minutes. Let the car reset. And then after about 3 minutes, you just hit the brake pedal and the car will launch, the car will start. And this is how you can actually solve the problem with Tesla not going into drive. If this doesn't help, you will need hard reset. So you need to disconnect 12-volt battery and disconnect the high voltage battery. It's not that hard, but you need to follow a strict sequence, which you can find online. There are hundreds of videos explaining how you can do this. So please follow the sequence closely to avoid damaging anything in the electrical system of your car. But usually this power off reset will help you solve the problem when the car doesn't go to drive and the 12-volt battery is healthy. So this is anyway the first thing to check.